Well, it's time once again to get the water heater smoker out. So it's 2025, Thanksgiving, doing a turkey, doing ham, and doing pork tenderloins. So we're gonna have her loaded up. Let's see how it goes. All right, we got it loaded up. Never done more than turkey, so I got a tenderloins up here on the top rack. Turkey's in there, getting smoked up. So I got a ham to put on there, but it looks like the tenderloins only take about 2 hours, so we'll probably swap them out with the ham. So far, so good. Water heater smoker. All right, we're about 3 or 4 hours in. Let's see what's going on in here. Ooh, yeah. Turkey's looking good. Cooking right along there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Water heater smoker.